So Thru has an out-of-the-box Salesforce connector. Within minutes, seamlessly send large files from within Salesforce for revenue recognition and for confirmation of software delivery to customers via automatic login in Thru, which is also passed back into Salesforce. This integration allows you to send files from any Salesforce standard object, such as cases, accounts, or from custom objects. The files should be pre-staged in Thru. Here's an example of the files that are pre-staged in Thru. The integration allows to send two kinds of files. Again, files which have been pre-staged in Thru, or documents or attachments which are already stored in Salesforce. Behind the scenes, we have connected and configured a Thru site. And in this site, we will search for certain attachments which are pre-uploaded, and then we'll attach them and send them from Salesforce. So within Salesforce, we can navigate to a case as an example. From within the case view, under the drop-down, we can see there is a Thru email or a Thru audit. Clicking on the Thru email spawns a Thru secure message. This can be sent to one or multiple recipients. I can force them to register before they get access. I can set an expiration date. You can see the case numbers here. Here we can put some sort of example message regarding its distribution. Here we can see how we attach the files which are pre-stored in Thru. Clicking on this allows you to search by folder name, file name, or tags. As you can see, we can also search for Salesforce attachments or local files. Now, just clicking search will search whatever is available. We can see these are the files that are pre-staged in Thru. If we quickly tab back, you can see those same files in that file type folder, file type files. I can choose a multiple of these files and then attach them to this distribution. We can see the attachments here, templates within Salesforce. They can also be used to format this message. But then by clicking, this gets sent to the receiver, and this activity also gets recorded into the audit of Thru and reported back into the audit of Salesforce. So, pop out an example of the email that was sent to that recipient. But basically the email shows who it came from Salesforce, shows who it was sent to. We can click on this link, which will then spawn the download window, which is the following file types. I can attempt to download a file. I can't access the file until I agree to the legal terms in this statement. And then I can select all the files to download as a single zip attachment. Or we can select a single file to download. Now, let's see if this has caught up. Yes, so we can see the time has changed here, right? This is the activity that gets recorded back into Salesforce from Thru regarding the distribution that was sent. You can see the attachments that were sent in that previous step. Now, finally, let's see if we can use the audit to get some more details regarding this distribution. So back here, we can go to the Thru audit. Interestingly, this page is in ascending order. So let's put it in descending order and click go, right? So here we can see the external download from the external user, and they agreed to the statement. We can see the single download. We can see the multi-download that was zipped as a package and the agreement. We can see the distribution that was sent from myself from Salesforce using the Salesforce connector. And we can see that the external recipient has collected the message, giving you tracking of what's happening.